How to fix flash not working on Snapchat. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily fix flash not working on Snapchat. So first thing what you want to do is just make sure you have enough battery available. That means your battery should be or must be greater than or equal to 10% or 8%. So once you have done that, you can finally be able to use this flash option over here. And if it's not showing or not working still, then in that case what you need to do is make sure you head over to your Play Store and make sure you have updated your Snapchat application to its latest version. So once you do that, and if it's still not working, then the final thing what you can do is just head over to your settings and just click on apps and locate your Snapchat applications just like this. So once you locate your Snapchat application, just tap on this and just click on the storage option over here, and once again clear the cache and clear the data once again. And you may have to re-log in with your login credentials, so never mind, just click on this Snapchat application just like this. Once again re-log in with your login credentials, and your flash option or flash button should be successfully working. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.